Hi, Nate. Good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Evening teacher.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So today, Neil, let us talk about delayed flight. Okay, our lesson is about delayed flight. Okay, how might you inquire about your flight information at the airport? How might you inquire about your flight information at the airport? Okay, so example, you inquire you are going to somewhere. How much you inquire your delayed information? Right. Okay. How might you inquire about your flight information at the airport? How you will going to inquire?
Mm, wait.
By
I don't know.
you will inquire by.
Listening to- I think the staff at the airport.
Okay, so you might be asking at the staff of the port. So it could be. So we have here dialogue. Okay, let us have this dialogue. I am passenger and you are the staff. Again, I am the passenger and you are the staff. Okay, so let us hear now. Okay. Hi, we were meant to start boarding the plane 15 minutes ago. Is there a problem?
We are terribly sorry, but the plane you're traveling on hasn't even landed here yet.
Or what? I have to be in the Istanbul by noon. Why isn't the plane here yet?
It is delayed due to bad weather conditions.
Why didn't you inform us earlier? How long are we going to be delayed for?
It's hard to say. The flight may be delayed for an hour or more.
Okay. So this is unbelievable. Will the airline at least give us an announcement for the trouble?
There will be an announcement soon. Again, I'm very sorry, sir.
All right, I just wish you told us earlier. Okay, so now, okay, so what do you think they're talking about?
About the boarding the plane, uh, haven't hasn't landed yet.
Okay, so about boarding the plane. Okay, so now we have heard they're talking about the delayed of the flight. Okay, have you tried me that you ride the plane and there is a delay of the flight? Have you tried it? Have you
No,
tried
no,
that you're
no.
having a delay
I
of
don't.
flight? No.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have here one, two, three, four questions. Okay. Okay, I mean words. Okay, so we have here conditions, inform, delayed, and announcement. Okay, so we have here the word condition. Okay, so what do you mean by the word conditions? Okay, what do you mean by the word condition? What is condition for you? Condition is what? What do you mean by the word condition?
I know, but it's hard to say.
Okay,
I don't
you
know how
try.
to say.
Condition is like, or you give example.
Mm. I think conditions is like mm, it's like mm, mm, I think condition is I think is in the situation.
Okay, so what is your condition? Okay, so it means in the situations. How about the word inform?
Mm.
What do you mean by the word inform?
Mm? What?
Inform, this one, in the red. What is inform? Inform, it means that, what is it? When you say the word inform, what is it?
Involve is like like
Like,
we inform the people when the flight land or when the flight is going to be delayed.
hey, so we inform, we tell the people, okay. We will gonna tell them when will be the flight late or when will be the flight canceled. Okay, how about the word delayed? What do you mean by the word delayed?
Hmm?
Delayed, what is delayed?
This means um,
Means,
this means our flight is at 5 p.m. and it's delayed to 6 p.m. like that.
hey, yeah, that's delayed. So it means it's become late. How about the word announcement? What do you think is the word announcement? What is announcement? Announcement, it means what?
Mm, I think announcement is the same as inform.
Okay, very good, me. Okay, announcement inform. Please try to read this one. Okay, how you read and remember the words. Okay, if you're done reading it all, please tell me.
Mm.
Can you tell me how if you're okay or if you're done? Yes.
Mm. I'm done. I'm done.
Okay. So here, so this one, they're talking about the problem of the flight. There is a delay. Okay, so the passenger was quite worried because he has to be unstumbled by noon. But the problem is there is a delay of flight, like 1 hour or more. Okay, so here, please try to answer the questions. Okay, please try to you write your answer in the chat box.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I read
Ah, the phrase again.
yeah. Okay, okay.
Okay. Also,
I'm finished.
okay, so we have here. Why is the passenger mad at the company pilot? Because they do not inform the passenger that the flight would be delayed. Very good. That's the reason why the passenger got mad. Another, for what reason might a flight be delayed? So what do you think the reason that the flight delayed? Because the bad weather conditions. Because of the bad weather conditions. That could be. And then, where can you get an updated flight information? You can get it from your air tickets or on your phone. Yes. So probably through announcement, they will gonna announce you. Then in the airport, when you are here and when you are there, and then there's a flight delay that will be posted on the big screen. And they will gonna tell you the flight number, the phone, I mean the plane number, and then it will appear delayed. So you will gonna know about that. Okay. Hingi, replace the word in red in each sentence with the correct synonyms from the box. Okay? So please try to replace the red one, huh? The red one. Please replace the words in the red with the correct synonym. Synonym, it means the same meaning. So you have to write here. So what do you think is the synonym for conditions? Please write your answer again in
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Conditions, it is situation. Very good. Announcement, what is announcement for you? Announcement is notice. Okay. Announcement is notice. This one, ha? A delayed, it means waiting and informs, report to. Very good, me. Okay. Let's move to the next. Okay. So, choose the correct questions for the given answers. So, we have here, okay, answers. This one, we have four answers. Okay, please try to use correct questions. What do you think are the correct questions? What do you think are the correct questions for this? Okay, you choose the letter only. You write here beside. Okay, so what do you think is the correct questions from the answers here? Okay, so write letter only.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so we have here. Now, number one. Yes, sir, I'm afraid that there is a storm near the Blackpool Airport. Okay, so the answer is letter D. Is there something wrong with the plane? Is there something wrong with the plane? Very good. So the answer, yes, sir. I'm afraid that there is a storm near the Blackpool Airport. Number two, the airline will provide a $10 food voucher to all passengers on this flight. The questions, will the airline give us something for this delay? Okay, next. There should be an announcement soon. We are just waiting for some more information first. Okay? questions. When are you going to give announcement about the flight? So of course you will get answer. There should be an announcement. Hey, very good news. Okay, another one. 4. I'm terribly sorry, sir. I'm afraid that the flight will be delayed for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, questions? E. Was the plane delayed due to the bad weather? Okay, so of course, I'm terribly sorry, sir. I am afraid that the flight will be delayed. Wow, very good. So it means we understand the questions together with the answers. Okay? Ano? Okay? Next. Ah, okay, wait, Mingy ha.
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom? Mhm.
Hey, the Zoom will end me. And then please join again in 10 minutes, Niha, because the Zoom already ends when you left. Okay, please join again.